Welcome guys, and thanks for checking in to my channel. Or I want to start off by saying a big thank you for everyone who has subscribed, and for everyone who has liked the last videos. And I'm back again. Today I'm going to Haridwar with for some work, and I just had my highness serviced. It was the first service, so I had some work, and I thought that why not make you guys a part of it, and I can tell you about my experience after the first service. So that's about it. And I have made a lot of arrangements to cut down the wind blast, so I hope that it is reduced, and if not, I will do something about it in a few more videos to come. So be patient, please. I hope you are getting a better view now. I just recently bought a chest mount, और अभी मैंने उस पे Samsung M51 लगा रखा है. So the video that you are seeing, it's coming straight from Samsung M51 wide angle camera. I hope it's serving the purpose well and you are getting a better picture, because I cannot see it as of yet. So let's see how this turns out to be. Abhi I bought mic as well. I bought a Boya M1, but I am not using that as of yet on the helmet, because उसकी वायर बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी है, and I am really not sure how to install it in the helmet as of yet. I have not even tried it. So maybe in the next video I may record the vlog through Boya M1, but for now I'm just using the regular mic which comes along with the phone. It's the Samsung mic, और उसके ऊपर मैंने थोड़ी सी DIY करके विंड सप्रेस करने के लिए I have made some adjustments. अगर अच्छी आती है वीडियो तो maybe I'll be able to give you guys a video of that, or I'll be able to show you the current setup which is there. तो देखते हैं how this turns out to be. A lot of construction is going on these days, but after it's done काफ़ी easy हो जाएगा देहरादून से हरिद्वार जाना. It's gonna be a smooth ride, but for now ठीक है, not that bad, not that good, but it's fine. So I just checked कि इसमें जो इकनॉमी मोड है वो मैक्सिमम कौन सी स्पीड तक आता है. तो it's around 85 kmph, उसके बाद में इकोनॉमी मोड नहीं आता है. At least that's what I feel and that's what I have experienced. I may be wrong, but that's just what I observed so far. If I talk about the cruising speed, 80 and probably 90 is like the sweetest spot, and even you can do 100, but मतलब जहाँ तक I have felt बहुत ज़्यादा wind blast आता है, so you may not be liking that, but 80 to 90 is like sweet. And one more thing that quite amazes me with this particular bike is that इसका जो pickup है, it's very nice. It's very very nice for a 350cc engine, for this much amount of weight that this bike carries. It is quick. Especially me, who is coming in from a 150cc segment, तो मेरे को तो बहुत ही बढ़िया लगता है.
Just calling to say I just calling to say I
डैम, अभी तक अगर मैं अपनी पुरानी बाइक चला रहा होता तो my back would have been cursing me. But with this, the posture is just right. It's very nice. बहुत ही बढ़िया, एकदम शानदार तरीके से बैठा हुआ हूँ मैं, तो I cannot feel any sort of a strain on my back. Okay, so I'm just gonna see you in a short while. And stay tuned. आया था वो हो चुका है, so I'm just heading back to Dehradun, and this is the area I was talking about. So ये एरिया है BHEL का, भारत हैवी इलेक्ट्रिकल्स लिमिटेड, एंड इट्स जस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. यहाँ से मेरी बहुत सारी मेमोरीज़ जुड़ी हैं. I used to come here in my childhood, so it's a very nice place. There is something about it जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. So the area that you see on my left, this comes under Rajaji National Park as well, so it's sort of a forest. यहाँ पे रात को कभी कभी हाथी भी आ जाते हैं. तो it's a bit risky in the evening. Just feels very peaceful to be around here. Okay, so this is Haridwar. सामने आप देख पा रहे होंगे, that's हर की पैड़ी और हर की पौड़ी, I'm sorry. एंड ये हमारी गंगा जी हैं, और अगर आपको दिख रहा होगा ऊपर, that's मनसा देवी. And look at the view, man. I feel so good being close to places like this. I can come here anytime. कमेंट करके बताइएगा आपको कैसा लग रहा है ये व्लॉग. एंड आई विल बी मेकिंग मोर व्लॉग्स, एंड प्रोबेबली आई विल डू समथिंग अबाउट द विंड ब्लास्ट सो दैट यू कैन ओनली हियर द एग्जॉस्ट. Alright, so from here I'm gonna take a bypass road which goes to Dehradun. और ये रास्ता बहुत ही अच्छा है. थोड़े से ब्रेकर हैं बट इट्स नाइस. सो इफ़ यू एवर कम दिस वे you should try this road. yeah, keep on supporting, keep on liking, and keep on loving the videos as you are doing. And in case अगर आपको कोई चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगी, do let me know, and I'll try my best to improve over that thing. So it's me signing off, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care. Bye bye.